Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an eye tutorial. I recently purchased the ABH PRISM Palette and I'm so excited to use this. The colors in here are stunning. I haven't even swatched this yet, so I'm really excited to dive into it. I already have my makeup done. I know I look really sweaty, but it's literally the highlight that I used. And I love this look. I literally look like I'm just drenched in sweat. And I'm not mad about it. I really like it. So if you guys want to see like a really dewy makeup look, then let me know in the comments and I will try and recreate this for you guys. So without further ado, I'm just gonna open this up. So this is the package of it. It's so soft. It's like a velvet with like this gold running through it and it just looks really gorgeous. I am really nervous that this is gonna get dirty in my collection, just shoved in my drawer. So I may be that person that keeps it in the box. I don't know how long that'll last, but it's just so pretty that I don't want to ruin it. So this is what the palette looks like inside. The colors are so unique and so stunning. It's literally like no other palette I own, so I'm really happy that I went out of my comfort zone to get this. I'm not too sure which colors I should be going into today. Like I literally have no idea what I want to do. Like the purple right here is just calling to me. Maybe I'll use that. As you guys know, I love the Sephora eye brushes. The one in particular is number 19, I believe. But these looked really similar. I did, however, notice that these are synthetic. They're not natural hair like the other one is. But I am going to try them out in this video and see if I do like them. So this is just like a travel set. I believe it's like $25. I wanted to try them because if they're anything like the other Sephora brushes I have, I know I'm gonna like them. Okay, so I am gonna prime my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Enigma, just because it has like a color to it, so it's going to cover up all the redness on my eyelids. And I'm gonna go in with my favorite Sephora brush. This is number 19. This is the one I was talking about earlier, and I'm going to set my lids with this light peachy shade. And this color's a little bit more yellow than I was expecting, but it'll work. Yeah, that is very yellow. Okay, we're gonna go in with a crease color. I'm just noticing that they don't have any like chocolatey browns in here. Okay, I may actually have to pull out one of my other palettes just to kind of get like a crease color going. Okay, so I pulled out my trusty Life palette and I'm just gonna go in with like a chocolatey brown color in my crease. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is Dimension, and I'm going to use that mini shader brush, or I guess like all over eyeshadow brush, and just pat that on my lid. So I'm going to go in with this peachy shade all over my crease and kind of warm it up a little bit, and I'm going to use the other brush in the, I guess this is the crease brush in the little mini set. It's very pointed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that. Wow, it's so pigmented. So I'm just gonna go back and kind of pack on that purple a little bit more. I might actually use some Fix Plus just to make it more metallic. And then I think I'm gonna go in with this really white shade in the middle and just pop it on the center just to give it some dimension. Tell me, do you guys spray your brush first and then dip it in the shadow, or do you dip it in the shadow and then spray your brush? I want to know. Whoa, okay. Look at that. And I'm just gonna kind of like sit here like this until that dries. So now I'm gonna use the smallish brush. It's kind of a little bit stubby on the top, again from that little quad. I'm really liking it actually. And I'm going to spritz it again, and then once this dries, I'm going to pop some of the white in the center and just add like that dimension. I'm excited. Sorry if my hair is all over the place today. I let it dry naturally and I don't hate it. So the color I'm going into is called Lucid. And it's like, can you see that pigment right there? That's intense. Did I just ruin it? I can't tell. Oh crap. Okay, instead of using the wet brush, I'm just going to put my finger into it and try it on the other eye. it's not really showing up. Yeah, so some of the purple's actually coming off on my fingers, so I'm not gonna do that. I don't know, did I ruin it? Kinda looks cakey. I'm just gonna try and go in on this eye, try to make it the same. I think I'm gonna use Pyramid as a highlight because it's like this really bright yellow color, and the bright yellow is really gonna play off the purple in the eyes. Here goes nothing. And now I'm just gonna use Lucid a little bit, like here on my brow bone. Wow, this is so adventurous for what I'm used to. I'm gonna go in on just a little pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into probably this Parallel shade. This like deep color right here. I'm kind of nervous because it's dark. I'm just gonna put a little, tiny little bit underneath my lash line, just to deepen it. Okay, so now I'm back with my lashes on, and this is just really out of my comfort zone. I'm not used to having all of this color, but the palette itself I really liked. It has a good variety of colors. I wish it had something a little bit lighter, something that I could blend in my crease, like a light brown, or even like a light peachy shade where I could kind of wash it all over my lid. I did have to grab from another palette. I think that the variety in here is really awesome. There's so many different colors. I think I just have to get used to using all this color and maybe trying one color at a time versus trying like 3 or 4. And then maybe I can kind of get into it a little bit better. But right now, I think it's just too much for me. I don't hate it. I still love the purple color. I think it's really stunning, but I'm just gonna use a little bit less next time and kind of try and dabble a little bit into it at a time and kind of get used to it. Whereas right now I'm just kind of overwhelmed by how much color is on my eyes. Alright guys, so to wrap up this video, I think that the Prism palette is an amazing palette if you are into color and trying unique and different eye looks. I personally am just getting started into dabbling into these colors, so it's a little bit much for me right off the bat, but I think that if I try using this palette a little bit here and there, I think that even if I go for something a little bit safer next time, it's gonna be less overwhelming. As you could see, I just got overwhelmed in the middle of that and I just really panicked. But I think that if you kind of try out the more neutral colors a little bit first, and then you can dabble into the other colors if you're like me. If not, and you just love color and love playing with it, then you are gonna love this palette. And the packaging is gorgeous. I love the packaging. The only thing is that the control freak and the neat freak in me is going to absolutely freak out when this gets dirty, just because it's really inevitable. I mean, I just put it back on my desk and it's already got powder and glitter on it. I just have to let it go. Even though the packaging is really stunning, it's just not practical. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it and kind of found it comical, the fact that I was freaking out and didn't do so well in the eye look. But thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe down below if you guys want to see more of these videos, or even if you guys just want to chat. I love hearing from you guys in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!